Good morning, all of you. My name is Krishna Narayan Mishra. In this video lecture, we talk about next part of our definition, like a sensing. Sensing means that robot has a sensor. It can perceive an environment like smelling, touching, listening, or talking. All those things are involved in a true robot. A simulated robot does not have all these qualities. It is a not true robot, but one true robot has all these qualities like listening, sensing, and touching, smelling, all those things. Now the next part of our definition is act on it. Act on it means that robot is taking input from the environment and provide some desired result by acting on it particular task. Okay, now the our last part of definition is achieve some goal. Achieve some goal, it is a come under a intelligence part. In environment or in world we see that so many robots are there, but intelligence part is very sophisticated part because of these quality does not have all robot. Okay, intelligence is very important because of we consider one example. One robot have a sensing or a perceiving environment, acting on it, but after that it will be not able to achieve some goal, then that time it is a fail. Mean that it is a very important part of robot achieve some goal. Robot is perform all those four tasks like present in a physical world, perceive a physical environment, act on it, and achieve some goal. Take one example. If you take a very simple or basic example, if one robot is try to turn on a 90-degree, then that time it can perceive environment, and after gathering information it will be see that where it is object present or not. If there is an object, then it will be according to that perform task. Okay, now we discuss a very little part like robotics. Robotics is a study of a robot, which is mean that study of autonomous system, purposeful sensing, and acting the in a physical world. These are involved in robotics. Okay, autonomous system, sensing part, or acting on any particular task and achieve some goal. This all those things come under the robotics. Now we are finished with one chapter of robotic. Next chapter or a next topic we will see in a next lecture.